corn for the birds. You see they're just sweet corn. I just got it out of the package. So I cut it in half and I put some yarn tape around like this. And as you can see, we're just gonna hang it like this in the cage. And as you can see, Destiny already has a whole corn hanging. And it's fun for them to play and eat like that, right? Here's Fifi. Hi, Fifi. Hi, Fifi. You want a corn? So we're gonna hang them in the cage, and they will have so much fun playing with this corn and eating it and fortuning, because they have to kind of like work for their food and not just get everything served. So this is the bird room. Hi, guys. Where's Hopi? Hopi. Where's Hopi? Hopi, where are you? Hopi, where's Hopi? Hopi, Hopi. That's Hopi. Hi, what you doing? Would you like some hanging corn? Look. Yeah. And we'll hang some corn for Angel too. Angel, you want some corn? Let's do it. So we just hang the corn for Angel right here. He has it in his cage. Hope was watching me. Now we're gonna hang this for Hope. Hope, where should we hang this? I'll just hang it right here, and then Hope can watch and be happy with his corn. Oh, babies are screaming. Let's just hang this, and then he can play with it and eat it. Be kind of forge. Hanging food is fun because they can kind of like work for it and play with it, and it's a different type of eating, and it tastes also better and different. See, he's playing with his corn. So that's it, guys. Oh, how you going? Look, you see? He's already on it. Good boy, huh? Messy bird. Come on, messy bird. Love. Where you want to go? Oh, your beak. No, you're making everything dirty. Love. It's in your beak. It's in your beak. In your beak. Good. And your legs too. In your beak and your legs.